Mnangagwa plots against Chiwenga, replaces him with his son. The 31st of August 2025, by a correspondent, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has integrated his son, Major Sean Mnangagwa, into his inner security team, a move that insiders describe as a calculated attempt to weaken Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and prepare Sean for succession. Military intelligence sources revealed that Sean, who serves in the elite presidential guard, is being groomed to study the workings of state power and eventually inherit the presidency. The guard, long regarded as a central pillar of authority for Zimbabwean leaders, is seen as the foundation from which Sean could rival Chiwenga, who once dominated the military. While it is common for presidential guard officers to work in the president's close protection unit, Sean's appointment has sparked controversy. His proximity to his father blurs the lines between family loyalty and national security. Sources allege that Mnangagwa intends to fast-track his son's promotion to a senior military rank, potentially brigadier or general, giving him command of the guard and a foothold in national politics. Sean has been a constant presence alongside his father since 2023, often acting as chief security officer during both domestic and international trips. This week, he accompanied the president to the Vatican, prompting speculation that Mnangagwa is deliberately exposing him to diplomacy and leadership, grooming on the global stage. Beyond his military role, Sean's influence reportedly extends into business. Together with his twin brother Collins, he is said to run private offices guarded by state agents, where they allegedly control investor access to the president, often charging hefty fees. Critics argue this has created a shadow presidency run by the Mnangagwa family, with allies like fuel tycoon KUTYA playing a central role in the network. The timing of Sean's elevation comes amid growing factionalism within ZANU-PF. Tensions between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, the architect of the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe, have persisted, with Chiwenga's influence waning as Mnangagwa consolidates control. By positioning his son at the heart of the security establishment, Mnangagwa is seen as tightening his grip on power while eroding Chiwenga's base. Analysts liken the maneuver to succession tactics in other African states, where leaders place their children in powerful roles to secure dynastic continuity. This is about neutralizing Chiwenga and entrenching the Mnangagwa family's grip on power, one analyst commented. Critics further argue that Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 may serve not only as an economic plan, but also as a political strategy, stretching the timeline to allow Sean to prepare for leadership, while his father buys time to avoid a direct electoral showdown. With ZANU-PF's elective Congress approaching within the next 2 years, factional rivalries are expected to escalate. Rumors of Sean's rise have already deepened mistrust in the ruling party, leaving the political climate tense. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba was not available for comment.